good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Doggo Bear Show. And yeah, we'll still have an unleashing for today, but it's not a gunpla, but still a plamo. Yeah, I got it here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and oops, it's so big, man. It's so big because it's a multiple kits right here in one box. Yeah, and I think I have 4. This is part of the new because it's like a reformat. It's not a reformat or something. Yeah, it's just a new something anime, but based on the old anime and based on the old classic models also. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go and unleash so that we will know these kits, okay? With my Rusty but so trusted Hobby Knife, let's go, let's unleash. Yeah, a little bit long, maybe, yeah, but it's, I think it's a little bit nostalgic because, yeah, I've watched this anime and maybe I already explained this on the other video because this is part of the, what's that, man? Where is that kit? Right there, at the top of my backlog paradise. It's from the Machine Wataru, Machine Hero, am I right? Hero or Machine Hero Wataru? Machine Wataru Hero? Yeah, whatever. Okay? But yeah, right now it's a little bit different. Okay? But yeah, still, it's a kit still based on that anime and also a nostalgic anime. Because it's Machine Wataru at the first. But right now it's called... What's that? I forgot. But yeah. So as for that, yeah, let's just go to the kits, okay? So, let me introduce you to the first kit that we have here. This is your Ryumaru. This is just Ryumaru, or am I right? Yeah. Which is upgraded. You can see there are now new equipments on him. And yeah, more bigger and has 2 heads of dragons at the side. And then you can also use that to combine it to other kits also which is part on the anime. And here is the front and the back of our front and rear of our Ryumaru. Yeah, and still this is piloted by Wataru Hushibi, the main character. Okay, so that's your Ryumaru for our first kit. And our second kit is still also part of the older, or not older, but the first version. I think this is from the Kirin Maru. Yeah, and it is an updated version, and this one will be your Koryu-maru, and still it's also piloted by Kakeru Amabe, and that's the character, and that's the unit. And also this some other good points of our unit of our Koryu-maru. Sorry, I don't have so many details for this one. I'm not so yet familiar because I need to watch the anime for this one before I build it. But yeah, it's very familiar because I already watched the first version of the anime, which is, I think it's the 90s. Yeah. It's a little bit different right now. And then next, maybe this will be its open, I don't know if it's an open, it's still part of their group, but yeah, this is your Gyugumaru. Am I right? Gyugumaru. Yeah, it's Gyugumaru, and it is a head of like a dinosaur at the front. Okay, so Gyugumaru is piloted by this guy, which is called Maiga, and it's the rear and the front part of our what's the name? Gyugumaru. Okay, so it's very hard to tell their names. Okay, but still, it's very nice, man. And it has kind of cannons at the back. I don't know if it's also has some effects, but yeah, it's nice also. So that's your Gyogumaru. And the last one right here, yeah, I get 4 of it. And the last one of it is your Tenshumaru. Ooh, this is a nice one. And it still has like a head of dinosaur at the front. Is it in the front? Yeah, in the front part. Yeah, I don't know if it can transform into a dinosaur. It's like a pterodactyl. And the final front is called Sho. Yeah, that character right there. And also it has its rear and front designs of our unit. And this is your Tenshumaru. Yeah. And yeah, again, you can see me that I have no such or not so many details that I know for this one, because yeah, I like the designs, I like it, and also it's like a way to clear my burnout if I will get a burnout on Gunpla building and some other works that I have right here on my man cave. Yeah. So yeah, this will be like an emergency kit for me. Still a kit, an emergency kit to heal my burnout next time. Oh, so this is it, and yeah, there are 4, and yeah, again, they will have their own unboxing, and after the unboxing, again, the new format, they will have a showcase, okay, a kit showcase. Not a Gunpla showcase, but a kit showcase, because they're not Gunpla, but still a plastic model or a plastic model showcase, or just a kit showcase. It's much better. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for next videos. Okay, that's it, and thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Grandpa Bear Show signing off. Oh, you're so nice, man. Yeah, I like it. Okay, that's it, and peace out. Bye.